Hello, everybody. This is Rajesh Marcos from Orlando. We are at Universal Studio today. Please watch the continuation videos and enjoy. Here are some beautiful views of the park. You can see the amazing architecture of all the different buildings. Each building looks different and is part of a different movie world or book world. Revenge of the Mummy Museum stands out as it is all gold and bright in contrast to the normally colored buildings. Here is a Transformers structure that show is a favorite among many young boys, but girls watch as well. It is a bit of an older show, but many Universal Studios parts are older based. They appeal to an older audience than Island of Adventure. If you are older trying to remember your childhood, this is the perfect place for you to visit. You will get many reminders. You can see many people coming even with COVID. Everyone is wearing a mask and all rides are socially distanced. Workers also come to sanitize and clean the parks every single day and more than before. Some people wear their merch from their favorite show or movie. You can sometimes see people passing wearing Minion costumes or Harry Potter costumes. There are many good options, especially near the water, so everyone has an amazing view of the parks. At night it lights up beautifully, and there is even a light and fountain show with music and sound. On special occasions they do fireworks, which is quite often. They usually have different themed characters fireworks as well. Although this is an abandoned food truck, I'm sure someone will come around soon to fill it with tasty treats. In the winter, during Christmas and New Year's, there is often fake snow as well as amazing shows and music for everyone who comes. During these months are blockout times for annual pass holders, and they must buy separate tickets if they want to come during those times of year. This is a little boat deck pier out to little boats. These boats are for the tourists and take them out to the pond to explore the park with the tour guide giving your information. Here are some old-time cars in front of us for showcasing. They are early designs. Around Universal Studios you can see remainders of the past. For the newer generation, Islands of Adventure is usually more interesting, but for our generation it is this one, as it is all the old movies and times. You can also tell by the state of all the buildings and style of them. People come from all over the world to see these sights here. There are also little birds that fly in to get the tourist snacks and sweets. There is a program called Make a Wish Foundation that helps terminally ill and very sick children. Often they provide them with a wish, and many children wish to come here for their wish. They provide this visit with all expenses paid for the family, and sometimes you can hear about their experiences. This is a triple-decker bus. It has as many floors as a building plus a roof. It is mostly just for show, and you can see the driver matching the bus with all purple colors. Some buildings almost look like apartment buildings, but they are indeed a part of a movie or story that is unknown to many. Each part of the park is well thought out so that people who are part of many different fandoms can relate to each experience. Here is The Simpsons, which is something my kids watch all the time. I hope you enjoyed Universal Studios sites. If you did, like, share and subscribe. See you next time.